DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, you two? You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back on a banger. Yeah, man, gang. And you see what I do today. We're there with a special one. Been a minute, but we're back at it. Yeah, today we got K Lion. Yeah, man, he just dropped this track like what, 15, 20 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out where dog I deal with. Apparently, this one is a featuring Sagiker. Post me after the artist, so I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, gang. Yeah, man, but this is K Lion and Sagiker, the one named No Kixx produced. What? No Kixx produced. That's the name of the song. Wait, what? The name of the song is kind of weird. Let me check it out. Yeah, well, I guess that's what they call No Kixx produce or No Six produce. Is this a shade at somebody, bro? That's it. He said that is it, brother. This one touching the soul deeply. Keep on rising. R.I.P. K Lion. I'll never stop playing your music. Okay, this put a smile on my face. You see me I say? But yeah, man, R.I.P. K Lion. Apparently, he's still dropping tracks or collabs with other artists. So this is by Sagiker. You see me, boy? Check it out. It says K Lion, No Kixx produce. So we're gonna check it out and see what I got to deal with today. You see me? R.I.P. K Lion, man, was a dope artist when he was alive. You know what I'm saying? Could have gone far. But you don't know. I guess he has. This was like a pre-recorded track. They probably do, or probably, you know, they chop up a track and put it together. We don't know. We're gonna check it out and see exactly what's going on. A lot of people in the comment section say it's deep and it's dope. But you don't know. K Lion was very talented. So let's see where dog I deal with. Let's check it out right now. You feel me? This is Sagiker K Lion. No Kixx produce. Let's get it.
Well, I don't know. So the thing said, so the thing go.
I just named No Kixx.
K Lion said, watch your step. Don't get no kicks when we outside. Can't be with him, man.
Villain Empire. That's a dope. That's a dope.
Don't study that, but
that's a dope record company. Step up. Name a company. Villain Empire. That's kind of a dope name, bro. And why the hell my shit not playing? Hey, she better stop playing with me, dog. That's me. Yeah, man. But yeah, man. This one good so far. Let's see how the rest of is the track going.
Shot like the flesh of skeleton.
Best if article, no in a friend of man. When time boy I run like marathon.
Chat on the flats and reason with me, man.
So I guess he's a geeker.
The extra clips, so the shots not done.
All the talk about the past when the mother gun. When the gunshot a blast, man all around.
Yeah.
So leave a little dark for the real killers. The melandros will bust head and squeeze trigger. The crime tool let them run up these figures. Stop strikers not.
I always hear that melandros. Is that a place in Trinidad? Let me know, gang.
Deal with no beginners. Some big shoes, full clips, no need in us. Blood stain like red paint, one need in us. One squeeze, black beast to sting these niggas. If I'm not fit in the road. No skull like a cope,
one
like
squeeze, black bees.
See the whole team know I bear trouble. Pay a day alone, cause we not spare.
One squeeze, black bees that sting niggas.
Could have Smith and Wesson or a next model.
Not a Samsung. Pick them out with my rifle like Apple. Choose them and put them in a bottle like Snapple. Send to bed.
Man say a new rifle. This is not a Samsung. You see me take a bite out and make like Apple. Alright, that's dope. Nobody ever did that. You know what I'm saying? Nobody. I don't think no one that's all ever did that. I give him that. Compare. Hey, alright.
In a spare couple. Could have Smith and Wesson or a next model.
Not a Samsung. Pick them out with my rifle like Apple. Choose them and put them in a bottle like Snapple. Send to bed. Kill you.
What's the pick out them head? Like Apple, man say, brand new rifle, a new model, I know Samsung. Pick out them made like Apple, but start later put in a buckle like Snap. That was hilarious, gang. I like that.
Rifle like Apple, choose them and put them in a bottle like Snapple. Send to bad kill you out there anytime to make the key rattle. Real warrior time, we always win the battle.
Dark for the real killers. The melandros will bust head and squeeze triggers. The crime tool let them run up these figures. The
crime, jeez, man. So they run up the crime rate figures, bro. Damn.
Strikers not deal with no beginner. Some big shoes, full clips, no need in us. Blood stain like red paint, one need in us. One squeeze, black beast, the sting.
Blood stain like red paint, one need thinner, bro. That's some thick blood that you know that.
These niggas were not fit in the role.
Step out with a Remington. Shot like the flesh of skeleton.
Best if article, no in a friend of man. When time boy I run like marathon.
Chat on the flats and reason with me, man. But the extra clip.
This nigga tripping, man. I shot him my reason with demons. Jesus, you know that.
So the shot's not done.
I'm not afraid of God.
The pass when the mother gun. When the gunshot a blast, man a lot.
Yeah.
So leave all the kill dog for the real killers. The melandros a bust head and squeeze triggers. The crime toll let them run up these figures. Stop trying.
Boy, real melandros a bust gun and squeeze triggers. You see me? The crime rate. We run up these figures.
Cause not deal with no big Some big shoes, full clips, no need in us. Blood stain like red paint, no need in us. One squeeze, black beast to sting these niggas. If I not fit in the road, turn it up again. Block squeeze, clip empty. Why disappear? Them say 1-2 approaching.
Gang, let me know if you're familiar with Sagiker, bro. Let me know if I'm saying his name. Is it Sagiker? Sagiker. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what his name is. But he's doing pretty good, bro. We gotta check him out.
Why
you know?
me not care? It's in the outline, so you know it's gonna no flare. You know the thing that
Don't know.
this one is a hit.
Easy now, man.
Yeah.
man. God, please. Easy now, man.
Delicious taste.
Yeah, man.
Delicate
Shout out to Sagiker, man. Shout out to
distinctly
Sagiker, bro.
La marca
You feel me? Shout out to K-Line. Shout out to Sagiker. Real dope track. That one named No Kicks, gang. You can check it out if you like it. Show the artist some love and support. Let me know in the comment section if you want to hear more from Sagiker, bro. You know, RIP to K-Lion, but we still got more K-Lion tracks to react to. RIP to K-Lion. Well, Sagiker is a new artist. I'm not too familiar with him. Let me know if you want to hear more from him, gang, because I'm intrigued. I probably want to, check him out some more, see what music he have in store, and see, how far I can take this thing, because, yeah, this is the first track I'm hearing from him. I don't know if it's the first track, so send me that, gang. So I don't know if it's the first track, so send me that, gang, so I can check it out. You know what I'm saying? Because, and let me know what his first track is. Let me know what songs to react on in order to go in. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Dope track. Love to new stars arise. Whether Jamaica or Trinidad, love to new stars arise up. It's a good look for the culture, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. And I actually like this one. You feel me? And I think he can do even better once he get better beats and like producers and stuff like that. But this, I like it. It's like very islandy, and the beat sound like, yo, you know what I'm saying? The beat, people will be like, yo, the beat is kind of, you know what I'm saying? But the beat, it giving like a new artist up and coming. Yeah, he did what he's supposed to do. The beat wasn't the best, but he did what he was supposed to do on the beat. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to him. We're going to check out more from him, gang. Like, if you want to see more reactions from him and K-Lion. Doesn't mean I'll get it done. You don't know what time it is, man. It's your boy Jambisco. Hey, make sure you join the Discord. You want your shout out? You feel me? Make sure you join the Discord and make sure you join the lives. You feel me? We'll be going live. You can talk to me. I'll be talking to you. I can see our super chats on the screen, all that good stuff. So make sure you join the live. Look out for the live, man. Also, gang, I got some more announcements coming up that I'm made, so we're gonna look out for that. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Until next time, it's boy Jambisco. I was here with hit and smashing up. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.